going on YouTube? Just doing a little trade recap here. So we're going over today's win, basically recovering yesterday's loss. So we were down $410 yesterday, but now we're up 515. So we're like $100 in 2 days. But I am doing a 0 to 100K journey. So if you guys want to subscribe down below, you can follow my journey, and just kind of follow what I'm doing. But I was funded at one point. It was like 16 or 17 Apex 50K evaluation accounts. And then I passed those, I was funded, and I actually just lost those because I got really frustrated and Apex denied my payouts. So if you need a prop firm to, trade with, I would definitely recommend going out with like Lucid. Lucid is probably one of the best prop firms that you can trade with right now by far. That's just my opinion. You could do your own research on that. But yeah, so Lucid, I'm trading with Lucid now. I only have one evaluation account, so I'm literally going from 0 to 100K. So you guys can watch that journey. Follow me on Instagram, Chime Trades on Instagram, and Chime Trades on YouTube. Just subscribe down below. Basically, we're going to be going over today's recap. My bias was pretty bearish, as you could see. If you go over to the 4-hour, we were disrespecting. So if you could see, we were disrespecting bullish, and then we were respecting bearish fair value gaps. So as I scale down to the 1-hour, as you can see, we have these fair value gaps right here, and then we also have these like initial lows that I was waiting for us to take out. So which we ended up doing. So we took these out, okay. We still kind of are bearish in the trend, so I did catch a little reversal. I would like to see us go like lower, but I stopped trading for the day. It's now like 11. Yeah, it's like about 11:30 right now. So I want us to take out these lows right here as well. This is another 1-hour. I think we're going to be going down at least to these lows down here in this 1-hour fair value gap. But I was looking for a reversal. So I took that on the 2-minute here. So as you can see, this is my trade right here. And we'll kind of go in replayed mode so you can kind of see and go through my thought process to see what I was kind of doing here and what I was thinking. So basically right here we have this 2-minute. I wanted to see us reverse this 2-minute, which we ended up doing with quite force. So I was happy to actually take this inversion, that 2-minute, and then target this 5-minute right here, as you can see. So you can see this you can see the 5-minute right here. Yeah, so it was about 40 points that I was targeting. We do have a lot of liquidity right here. I thought we were going to end up at this like at open. I thought we are going to come up and kind of take these lows out before we dumped lower, but we were seeing some rejection here. We go to the 1-minute. We were seeing some rejection here, so it looked like it most definitely didn't want to go lower. So we were respecting this like 1-minute and 2-minute and 3-minute, I think too. Yeah, and the 3-minute, 5-minute kind of just doesn't, yeah, it doesn't show the 5-minute. But the 3-minute, we were respecting the 2-minute and the 1-minute. So we wicked through these like multiple times, and then we got displacement lower. I was gonna inverse this 1-minute right here, and I was gonna get in right here to kind of displace lower. But I kind of wanted to see us take out this low first and see what we kind of did with it. But we did kind of start to like push up and then push back down. And then I was like, okay, so now we're actually going for these like initial lows. We're inside of a 1-hour fair value gap. So at some point, I'm like, we may reverse, we may not. So I got on this 2-minute and targeted the 5-minute right here. Yeah, so basically, that trade ended up getting hit within 2 minutes. So that was $500 in 2 minutes. And then we kind of ended up just displacing lower, kind of rejecting, and then we went up a little bit higher and then started going lower. And yeah, that was it. That was 40 points. That was a makeup loss for yesterday. So we're only up $110 in 2 days. That's our journey from 0 to 100K. So yeah, if you want to be a part of it again, subscribe down below.